There are a lot of things to learn when you start wearing a kilt, like the order that you get dressed is different because of various things that are there and things that are not there, but I won't go into that right now. There's buckling on a sporran, there's knotting garter ties, there's tying gilly brogues. Those are all skills that most people don't have to begin with. You know, I wear a kilt almost every day, and that means I wear a lot of kilt hose. Those are the long socks. And those can be difficult to keep organized in a drawer or on a shelf. And you know, when they come from the manufacturer, like the House of Cheviot, they're beautifully rolled. And I thought, wouldn't it be great if I could store them like that? So I decided to try to figure out how they do it. And though this is not the perfect solution, it seems to work for me, and it might for you. So here we go. Start by laying out your hose on a flat surface. This is an ironing board. If you've got a folding table, that's great. The bed is fine. Place one on top of the other. You want the toes to the right and the heel away from you. First step is to find the approximate center of the hose and fold both toes to that point, and then fold them over again. Now there are a couple of different ways to go from this point. This is my way. Take the top cuff, not both of them, just one, and fold it over the hose. What you're going to do from here is reach inside the cuff and grab this folded area. Fold it over, reach inside, grab the fold with your fingers and pull the cuff over the hose. Now from this point you do the same thing again. Fold the cuff over, reach into it, grab the fold, and pull it over the hose. You can straighten up as much as you'd like. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching this first episode in my series, The Kilted Closet, in which I will be posting all kinds of kilt wearing tips for those of you who wear a kilt or would like to wear a kilt. And if you'd like to purchase a home or sell your home, I'm here for that as well. Or if you just like watching these videos, I will continue to make them. So thanks so much once again. Take care. Cheers.